Hi, I'm Ross. I want to tell you about a really fun game that you can play with your family and friends. It's called Selfie the Game. There are selfie assignments that you need to complete together with your team. The best team wins. In this video, I'll explain how the game works. To make a new game, go to the website SelfieTheGame.com. You can easily create a new account there. Add a game and start filling out all the information. You can also create assignments from points of interest in your town. Select the points of interest that you want the teams to take selfies with. Players can download the app on the app stores. Tell them to search for Selfie the Game. They can register for the game with the game code during the administration process. When you're done adding assignments and creating teams, you can start the game. The teams now have a list of assignments. The teams go out to find and take selfies with the assignments. When you find the thing you're looking for, smile and take a good selfie. The admin is judging the selfies on the computer or with the app. He can give maximum 5 points per selfie, but some assignments may have a lower maximum points. Let me give 3 points to this picture. As always, there are winners and losers. The team with the most points wins. But we still hope that everyone had a lot of fun. I hope you found some inspiration for a nice time with your family and friends. I think I found some inspiration as well. I'm Ross and I hope you have fun playing Selfie the Game.